Okay, so we will be reversing an array today. For initial array, we will be having, let's say, 5 elements, and let's say the content will be 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so to reverse this array, this is very simple. What we'll be doing, we will swap the first and last element, second and second last element, and likewise for all of the corresponding elements, and the resulting array will be something like this. So the last element will go to the first place, the first element will go to the last place, the second last will go to the second place, the second will go to the second last, and likewise the three will remain at the third place only here in this case. And now the resulting array is reverse of the first initial array. Now let's see this in the code. First, let's write the swap function. I'll be using C++, but you can always use your favorite language, right? So I'll be getting the addresses of, or if you wish, pointers of the integers. Okay, in this case I'm just assuming the array will be integer type. You can assume it anything else. Okay, now I'll be reversing, swapping the values at those addresses. So it's very common to do this. I'll just add the two values, then subtract for each of them, like so. So a minus value at b, and for the same way a will be a minus b. Okay, I hope this is really clear how we are swapping. Okay, now I also want to write a function to print the arrays, and it will be like print array. And what I'll do, I'll take an integer array and I'll just cout opening bracket, then I'll provide a for loop, and int I equals 0, I less than 9. Let's say I'm just hard coding the length of array here, and you can obviously use the array.size and all, and I'll just say cout, and I'll just say array at position I, and I'll add a comma and a space, and at the end I'll just write cout backslash and a closing bracket, and maybe an end L as well, end L. Okay, everything's nice. Okay, hopefully that is working. Now what I'll do, I'll simply initialize an array, let's say of 9, and it'll be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now let's print our array and check our array is working. So I'll pass the array, and hopefully let's run. Let's first compile it. So my file name is g++1, and my file name is starting reverse array cpp. Okay, we will get an a.out, and yeah, it's printing our array. Cool. Now what I'll do, I'll simply again write a for loop, int I equals 0, and I actually, we don't need to go throughout the array, we will just go to the size by 2, in this case 9 by 2, and again you can use size for here as well. Now I'll just call the swap method here, and I'll say array ampersand array, the address of array at I, and the second value will be ampersand, that means address of 9 minus 1, that means the last index minus I. Okay, so that will give the corresponding value from the last, right? And this should reverse our array. And let's print the array after reversing. And again, let's compile it. Wait, we are getting, oh right, this should be less than, right? Let's compile it again. It's fine. Let's run our code, and you can see 1 2 3 4 5, and we get a reversed array now. The second array is reversed. Hopefully this was easy, and I'll see you in the next one.